Welcome to inverse variation. So inverse variation is an example of where one variable increases whilst the other variable decreases. So for example, the time taken to build a house depends inversely on the number of builders. So the more builders, the less time it should take. So the steps to solving an inverse problem. So the first step is you write the equation relating the two variables in the form of y equals k over x. So the y and the x will depend on what the question actually is, where k is the constant of variation. We then solve the equation for k, substituting values for x and y. And then we write the equation with the solution for k and solve the problem. So here's our example. The time taken to build a house varies inversely with the number of people available. And we're going to use the first part, which is if it takes 4 people 24 weeks to build a house. So we'll use that, and then we're going to find out how long it takes 6 people. So step 1, write the equation using the variables given. So it was time varies inversely, so t equals, inversely means k over, and then the number of people p. Use the values given to find the value of k. So we were told that it was 24 days for 4 people, so you put the 24 where the t is and the 4 where the p is, times by the 4, so k equals 96. You then write the equation using the value for k, so that means that k was 96, so t equals 96 over p. And finally, you solve the equation. So the second part of the question was, how long does it take 6 people? So therefore it's 96 over 6, which is 16 days. Thank you.